Asia, what you doing in that window so early? Oh, we're all sleeping. We're all in bed sleeping. Huh? Ooh, headbutt. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Good morning. Good morning, lover bear. And baby, he's over there. Oh, look at that little girl. What's she doing? What's in the window? Is the deer back? What's over there, big girl? Huh? Every morning in the window telling us to get up because you want to eat? Huh? What do you want? What do you guys want? You guys want to eat? Okay, morning rituals. Morning ritual. What do you want, little spider girl? You want to eat? You want to eat? I know you, Mr. wants to eat. Okay, let's get up. Let's get up. Daddy, get up and feed us. Meow. Meow. Uh-oh, she's by the bowl. She's over by the bowl. Mom Bear's looking.